Thank you, dear teachers, for
School salute. Go.
Respected Chief Guest, Justice Y. Sachendra, respected parents, teachers, Father Navin Kumar, the Vice Principal, Mr. J. Janathan Reddy, Vice Principal for Administration, Academic Coordinator Sister Mercy, Supervisors and MCs for today's program, and my beloved students and well-wishers, a hearty welcome to you all. Today, as we start this investor ceremony, we formally invest a person, namely our students, with honors and rank. And this particular year goes down in the history of St. Patrick's High School, for we have two more houses, namely Abdul Kalam and Mother Teresa. And this is the first time that we have two girls as our leaders for today's event. Having said this, on this beautiful occasion, we have an important and eminent judge, His Honor Y. Sachendra, as our chief guest of the day. It is not only his alone, his entire family belongs to judiciary. His father was a leading district judge, and he, his sister and his own wife also belong to the same cadre. Mr. Sachendra joined junior civil judge in the year 2005. Again, he was elevated in 2010 as a senior civil judge, and in 2019 he was elevated as a district judge. Having said what I want to say and communicate to you all is, he is a judge, very human person, known for his human values. And it is a great privilege to have you, sir, in our midst today as our chief guest. And along with him, we have our SPL, newly taken SPL's dad, Mr. Sasikiran. His dad is on the stage. He is also our consultant for our school building. So let us have a great day, and let us promise that our leaders who are going to be here today as leaders, captains, that they may cherish their life as a student and bring glory to God. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Reverend Father Elango. I request our school principal, Reverend Father Elango, the navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to honor the chief guest with a shawl, and Vice Principal Reverend Father Naveen Kumar to offer a bouquet.
Students of today are the visionaries, followed by the General Captain Aaron Daniel, then followed by Mohammad Afan Hussain, the Assistant School Pupil Leader. The Gandhi House is represented by Captain V. Vinay Kumar, followed by M. Karthik, Vice Captain, and then followed by the Assistant Captain Santosh Babu. The patron of their house is Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, known for his non-violent battle. The Ambedkar House is represented by Captain K. Dhanudeep, followed by J. Joshua, the Vice Captain, and then followed by the Assistant Captain Nelluri Chakradhar. The patron of their house is B.R. Ambedkar. He was the Chief Architect of the Indian Constitution.
The Akbar House is represented by Captain Sri Ganesh, followed by K. Nishant, the Vice Captain, and then followed by the Assistant Captain P. Abhinav. The patron of the house is Akbar. He was a great Mughal emperor. He came to power when he was just 14 years old. The Laila House is represented by Captain J. Joseph, followed by Rishabh Sharma, the Vice Captain, and then followed by the Assistant Captain P. Shirin. The patron of the house is Saint Ignatius of Loyola. He emerged as a religious leader during the Counter-Reformation period and devoted himself to labor for God.
The Xavier House is represented by Captain D. Sri Deepa, followed by Virdaram Ahmed, the Vice Captain, and then followed by the Assistant Captain S. Aditya. The patron of the Abdul Kalam House is represented by Captain R.V.S. Lalitakshit, followed by G. Navyushri, the Vice Captain, and then followed by the Assistant Captain Clifford Emmanuel Michael. The patron of their house is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and served as the 11th President of India. Pure and a real source of inspiration to others. Adam Daniel, the General Captain, will now come forward to receive the badge. Adam Daniel is pious, disciplined, has a competitive spirit, helpful, and never fails to respect elders. He has been a merit student in academics in 2016. Mohammad Afan Hussain.
Yes, sir.
The Assistant Captain will now come forward to receive the badge. Mohammad Afan Hussain is innovative, attentive, a quick learner, sportive, and a good leader. He has a competitive spirit and has won a silver medal in inter-school football event in 2019-2020.
V. Vinay Kumar, the Captain of Gandhi House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Known for his beautiful handwriting, V. Vinay Kumar is creative, enthusiastic to learn and explore new things. He has good communication skills and participates actively in co-curricular activities. M. Karthik, the Vice Captain of Gandhi House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Simplicity and humility are the two great hallmarks of M. Karthik. He is always ready to help others in need. He is cheerful, encouraging, a quick learner, and a good leader. Santosh Babu, the Assistant Captain of Gandhi House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Santosh Babu is calm, pious, compassionate, and encourages others to succeed. aims to be a good leader in the society.
K. Dhanudeep, the captain of Ambedkar House, will now come forward to receive the badge. K. Dhanudeep is always cheerful, sportive, consistent and cooperative. He is helpful, patient, meticulous and studious. He has been certified for his brilliant writing skills. J. Joshua, the vice captain of Ambedkar House, will come forward to receive the badge. Aiming to become a Catholic priest, J. Joshua is a quick learner, a good reader and singer. He is confident, hardworking, respectful and loves helping the priest in the church during his free time. Nelluri Chakradhar, the assistant captain of Ambedkar House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Nelluri Chakradhar is calm, hardworking, obedient and participative, works with integrity and a very determined person.
P. Sri Ganesh, the captain of Akbar House, will now come forward to receive the badge. D. Sri Ganesh is very outgoing, hardworking, obedient, honest and a good taskmaster. K. Nishok, the vice captain of Akbar House, will now come forward to receive the badge. K. Nishok is optimistic, responsible, creative, honest and well organized. He was an academic topper in 2020. P. Abhinav, the assistant captain of Akbar House, will now come forward to receive the badge. P. Abhinav is
Passionate. He has a pleasing personality, very honest and obedient. Rishabh Sharma, the white captain of Loyola House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Rishabh Sharma is loyal, sincere, generous, helpful and a good listener. P. Shushan, the assistant captain of Loyola House, will now come forward to receive the badge. P. Shushan is friendly, generous, observant and attentive. He has a very competitive spirit and has won 25 awards in various competitions held in our school.
P. Teesdar, the captain of the Xavier House, will now come forward to receive the badge. P. Teesdar is attentive, reliable, very honest and obedient. Well known for his creative artwork and handwriting. Vijayram Mehmet, the vice captain of Xavier House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Mirza Ahmed is pious, loyal, honest, confident and an active listener. He is a source of inspiration to others.
S. Aditya, the assistant captain of Xavier House, will now come forward to receive the badge. S. Aditya is a strongly determined, honest, sincere and an obedient student. He is dedicated, punctual, hardworking and loves to work with time. He has continuously been an academic topper. R.V.S. Lalit Akshit, the captain of Abdul Kalam House, will now come forward to receive the badge. R.V.S. Lalit Akshit is honest, generous, helpful, sincere and very respectful. Works with dedication and has a positive attitude. G. Navina, the vice captain of Abdul Kalam House, will now come forward to receive the badge. G. Navina is calm, sincere, humble, and a good speaker. She works with integrity and a very determined person. Clifford Emmanuel Michael, the assistant captain of Abdul Kalam House, will now come forward to receive the badge. Clifford Emmanuel Michael is caring, supportive, resilient, respectful, honest, and hardworking. A. Sai Shrestha, the captain of Mother Teresa House, will now come forward to receive the badge. A. Sai Shrestha is a good leader, studious, diligent, polite, obedient, and a good taskmaster.
Yeshwar Tirupayalam, the Vice Captain of Mother Teresa House, will now come forward to receive the badge. I, Yeshwar, is disciplined, honest, works with courage to achieve success, and very helpful in nature. Ganesh Pandala, the Assistant Captain of Mother Teresa's House, will now come forward to receive the badge. K. Ganesh is an active participant, creative, obedient, and an honest child.
Now I call upon the school pupil leader to camera round to receive the school flag from the chief guest, Your Honor, Vice Chancellor. The school flag is a dual color, green and gold, with a virtue logo and label. It means hard work with values of goodness. Now, the house captains will come forward to receive their respective house flags from the chief guest, Your Honor, Vice Chancellor. Vinay Kumar Mangala, the captain of Gandhi House. Green is their house color. Green represents balance, harmony, growth, and virtue. It gives us the ability to love, nurture ourselves and others unconditionally. The captain of Ambedkar House. Yellow is their house color. Yellow represents mind and intellect. It relates the clarity of thought and ideas which leads to action.
These three Ganesh, the captain of Akbar House. Blue is the house color. Blue represents trust and responsibility. It exhibits inner security and confidence. Jenny Joseph, the captain of Loyola House. Red is the house color. Red signifies pioneering spirit and leadership, qualities promoting ambition and determination. P. Sri Teja, the captain of Xavier's House. Pink is the house color. Pink represents compassion, nurturing, and love. It relates to unconditional love and understanding. It signifies the sweetness and the innocence of the child in all of us.
I make the deduction, the captain of Abdul Kalam House. Peach is their house color. Peach reflects happiness in all areas of our life and the satisfaction that comes from being at peace with our health, work, love, and relationships. A. Sai Shrestha, the captain of Mother Teresa House. Grey is their house color. Grey represents neutrality and balance. It signifies one as formal, conservative, and sophisticated. The school pupil leader, K. Samuel Rao, and Aaron Daniel, the general captain.
We, the captains and vice captains, St. Patrick's High School promise to be of utmost service to our school. We shall be loyal, obedient, studious, and always helpful to others. We shall ever be faithful in observing the rules and regulations of our school and preserving its spirit. May God help us to keep our promises and to be an example for others.
We pray and bless you, young leaders, to uphold the values of the school and keep the flag of St. Patrick's High School fly high in discharging your duties impartially and honestly to the best of your ability.
May I now call upon our Chief Guest, Your Honor Vice Satyendra, to deliver his speech.
Good morning all. My respects to school team members, my respects to parents, teachers, and all children who are present here and who are following this program virtually. I'm Satyendra, I'm now working as district judge. I tell you children that health is wealth. We always read it from childhood. We listen to many elders who keep telling us about this. But nowadays, people are ignoring about health. Especially in this generation, kids are being spoiled with two things. First thing is mobile phones, smartphones, and second thing is junk food. Please avoid these two things in your life and try to prosper yourself with bright future. Health is wealth. You know what Swami Vivekananda told about health, sports and games? Swami Vivekananda told that by playing football, you can reach nearer to heaven than by reading Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is a religious book of Hindus, we know all. By playing football, we can get that kind of happiness and pleasure as that we reach nearer to heaven. That's what Swami Vivekananda told about health, fitness, physical activity. So also Mahatma Gandhi, he used to tell that unless we play sports and games, we cannot balance our body and mind. You know what is the definition of the health that is given by WHO, World Health Organization? World Health Organization tells about health that it is not just absence of disease or infirmity. It is physical, mental and social well-being. Physical and mental well-being is compositely called as health. So, in olden days, when we were children, we used to play a lot, we used to spend a lot of time playing, cycling and all. But nowadays, especially during this pandemic period, even schools are also running virtually. So, we are not having that opportunity of going out into the playgrounds and playing. Anyway, parents are also worried about health of children, and that is the precaution what we need to take. But still, physical health, physical activity we shouldn't ignore, we shouldn't let the things happen in a way. Because of this pandemic period, we have to increase of our immunity levels also. You keep doing some physical activity at your homes in the morning, at least yoga or some games. You do cycling in the evenings, get exposed to sunlight. Parents also be cautious and monitor the health of kids, because health is wealth. I just want to emphasize this because I'm a special child who is not having, I'm born with an infirmity. I'm having a major congenital heart disease by birth, and I am not a normal child. I cannot play, I cannot run, I cannot follow all these sports and games in my childhood. I used to sit under a tree when all children used to play in the playground. I used to sit and read, I used to sit and see the friends who are playing in the ground like that. But physical activity that always helps a child to nourish not only physically but also mentally. That will give a lot of relaxation in your future, because nowadays studies are also becoming very stressful because of competition day by day. So in order to get over the stress, this is a healthy way to inculcate physical activity in your regular life. I thank the school for imparting this kind of discipline, this kind of co-curricular activities. I am very happy when teachers were telling about the qualities of each child when they are introducing them and when they are coming to the stage. That is really very special attribute where teachers are even following the students, even in this virtual mode also, about their qualities, about their goodness in the things they are doing. School is the only place where we'll be our mentors, teachers will guide us in a proper way. Because of this pandemic situation, you are losing an opportunity to coming to schools physically. But still, this school is really very taking care of the child's welfare in almost every aspect, and that is the reason why these kind of ceremonies are being performed now. I tell you children, I congratulate all captains and vice captains who are now, you became captains and vice captains of each color, each house, I think. I congratulate all of you. I am very happy to see two girls here, Navyashri and Shrestha. Girls are no lesser than any boys. Okay? Be proud. In our mother's days and grandmother's days, girls used to be a bit lesser in things to pursue their career. But nowadays, and one more thing I want to tell you, generally parents will be of a mindset that doctor or engineer is a bright career that we can take him. No, not like that. I tell you and I want to guide you to your children that law is also a good field which can be opted and elected. Especially for girls, nowadays in every batch of judicial officers coming every year, we see more than half women, girls are being selected. That's really proud time we have to feel. Be bold girls, congratulations Shrestha and Navyashri. I congratulate all other boys also who are selected as captains and vice captains. I also thank Father Elango Garu. The way he invited me to come here was also prompting me to follow punctuality. Generally, we the judges, in our discipline, we follow punctuality, we follow, tomorrow there is flag hoisting by 8:30. By 7:50 itself, we go to our courts and we'll be ready, we'll be setting ready all the things. We generally follow punctuality, but while inviting also, he is very cautious. He was telling them, please follow, you be punctual. He was prompting and telling. I felt very happy. I felt two things happily. There is one thing, he was reminding me about punctuality, and teachers telling the qualities of each student when they are introducing the children coming to the stage. These two things I like more in this event. Thank you one and all. Thanks for giving me this opportunity for being with you today. Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, Your Honor, for the valuable words of advice on health as well. We shall abide by them.
Translate vision into reality. A pleasant day to one and all. On behalf of the school cabinet for the academic year 2021-22, I, D.C. Tirtha, deem it a proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks. Firstly, I thank God for His bountiful blessings on each of us. A sincere thanks to our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Mr. Justice Y. Satyendra, 6th Additional Metropolitan Session Judge. Sir, your valuable message is an inspiration to all of us. We thank our Principal, Reverend Father Elango, Vice Principal and all our respected teachers for giving us this opportunity to be a part of Cabinet. We sincerely thank you for your encouragement and motivation. Our special thanks to our physical education teachers who took a lot of pain in guiding and training us to make this event a successful one. Finally, we thank our parents for their unconditional love and support. Where we stand today is the hard work and confidence that you all have in us. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. We the Cabinet members promise to do our best. Thank you all for being a part of this memorable day. Thank you.
Thank you, Tirtha. I request everyone to stand in attention for the national. Thank you all for gracing this occasion. Thank you all for gracing this occasion. God bless and good day to each and every one of